You guys. Mm. I love this game, but I usually play Call of Duty and GTA on the secondary when I get bored. For hey, Call of Duty release for dance release tomorrow. Oh, we got a new player, bro. Let him in. What's up, Chad? We're just having a great time. Sorry, guys, I'm live on YouTube. You can say whatever the hell you want. Hell yeah, partner. Got another guy saving my ass for sure. Rock, how you doing, man? It's been a long time I never played with you. I say it's been a long time I never played with you. Yeah. I'm gonna add the guy on the party for sure. No, maybe he's just loading in. Yeah, that's why. Damn, my mind that's a motherfucker. When I see motherfucker, I'm gonna shoot. Yeah. We came at the right generation, man. We ain't came with determined trying to be tough and shit. We came when the blunts was so ready and selling the store and shit. On the dispensary, bro, that's the right generation to come out on, bro. We got everything right now. Mm. Yeah, I seen him a couple times. He alright. But I don't see him cheat, to be honest. No, I don't. He just alright. Eating good. Do you know eating good always fucking around, bro? What about the base? You guys know about the base? It's been here too long, bro. Like 6 years ago he's been here. I see his name, and I play this shit again today, and I see his name again. I was like, damn, motherfucker, you're like prestige 100 some now. Damn, the motherfucker 180 some or 60 some right now. Like, damn. I don't know why I push over there. That's stupid. I forget I'm a sniper though. I gotta go back. I got that medic though. Let me try. Oh. Cause that drone moving fast, bro. Like, it never stop. Oh my god. Just. I'm watching the stairs right now. It's pretty foggy. Oh, one is on top of the hill. Stalker, stalker. Alright, this fucking stupid drone is trying to fuck with us.
They got me pinned down. Man down. Grenade, get to cover. Tango is fucking down.
Damn, bro, I'll be fucked.
You're the only one left. Recon tower is back online.
Sorry, y'all. I shouldn't have been a sniper. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? I'm fucked up.
The enemy has our position. Get moving. Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Heads up. That's a kill.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
I'm pushing with y'all. Fuck. We're gonna get it, y'all. We're gonna get it.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile
Picture and sound are fuzzy. The drone's being jammed.
Enemy drone. Watch it. His history.
Grenade, get to
Placing
cover.
mine over here. Fuck, I'm made.
It's on top. Oh, there's two on me. Hey, don't let them pick up the guy on my buddy. Nice, bro. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah, take your time, my man. Fuck yeah. Oh,
Friendly's down. Objective
you try, man. You try. That's what's up. It's all good. That's my first match. Shit. Yeah. Don't go on. Stay still. Oh no, man. Fuck you, Banana Joe. Man, I don't even like that map. I ain't gonna lie. I like big ass jungle. Oh, somebody left. Oh, it's Rock. I invite you though, Rock. Mm-hmm. Alright. I'm gonna help with support. You said I wish a motherfucker would. Hey, did the war in Ukraine stop? No, please. I know Trump ain't blind. I like Trump and I vote for him. So you would love Trump. We vote for you. The only thing I like about Trump, he got balls. I mean, he got aggressive a little bit, but it's still alright. It's still alright. Sometimes you gotta do it, you know. We're the only one classified who have that shit, motherfucker. It's hard though. Did you see all that? Oh my god, the way they die is so fucked up. Like they die mostly on drones and barrage. Oh my god. Like they came like what the fuck do you why did you come out of the armor and just that's what the fuck I'm saying, like they just got out and died, bro. I swear to God. Like, what the fuck? Why you walking on the fucking combat zone? Why you walking, bro? Motherfucker walking in groups like 30 some motherfucker and got barrage, man. Oh my god, that is so fucked up. And they even got the footage on the Cobra with the drone killing them and posted on social media at the same time, bro. That is shit is fucked up. Oh, Ned Leon is in this shit with Birch King. Oh, is that my crew right there, bro? Yeah, Ochi Catfish, Ned Leon, and Birch. That's a random Berlin. He pretty good. They chill, bro. They don't cheat. That's why I like play with them, you know? I like it, too. Hell yeah. Yeah, you don't like when I fight like high school kids or little kids playing with it. Motherfucker say, no, 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 I'm about, bro. I ain't gonna deal with you, motherfucker. Damn, bro, chill, motherfucker. Birch. The only guy I wanna kill is Nick Leon, bro. You always do something. Yeah, you always do something.
I'm down.
All right, watch. See the stats. We're gonna see the stats. Don't judge it till the end of the game, bro. Yeah, come on now, you chill. Oh yeah, he did to you. only got visual on the left side. One is shooting at you guys right now. Over here, this side. He's pushing in on the ammo crate. Ah!
Wait, let me place a mine.
Alright, watch out. I don't know about the tops, because it must be somebody on top. Stalker, I'm talking to you.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. They'll be active.
Copy that. Alright, I'm just gonna move forward a little bit. You got it, Stalker. Copy that.
Yo, placing a mine over here.
Point man, you got it?
Enemy drone overhead.
Got it. One is right there, running, crossing right now. Oh, I missed my shot. Can you pin him? Cass, just go for him.
Marking position now.
Watch for the flash.
Still back there. Oh no, it's right there.
Tower is back online.
He's a point man. Fuck, that's Purge.
Frag out.
Fuck. Hey, come on, Stalker. Let's together.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, Berlin killed me. Where the fuck is Berlin, bro? Oh, let me check. What the fuck? Sometimes. Take your time, man. You can try it out. All that.
Enemy drone spotted.
Ooh, 1 minute life. Oof.
All friendlies down. Objective.
Nice try, nice try. Fuck. Alright, we don't have drone. That's our weakness. I'm gonna go drone, y'all. I'm gonna go motor. I'm gonna go medic so we can have that advantage. Alright, I think that's good. We're gonna try. Look, it's Berlin and Ned Leon.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces.
Ned Leon is right there. What did I tell you about? His number is right there, bro. What? No, I got you. No, I ain't gonna do shit like that. Hey, one is pushing right here. Right here. He's trying to come middle. Oh, there's a sniper shooting at me. Well,
They've got me marked.
I got marked. One is pushing in there.
Got visual with the enemy.
Alright. I'm just gonna use my drone just to check it out. Okay, he's right here. He's right here right now.
Shit.
Yeah. Hey, I got shot out. And I give you mark. I'm sorry. Remember, one is right next to us. Now they recruit both together right now in the same area where I just been when I using the drone. I'm moving in. I'll be there.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. They'll be active soon.
One is on me. One is on me right now.
Taking heavy fire here. I've got to fix someone. Frag out. Come mierda, culeros.
Grenade, move, move, move.
Oh my god! Bro, that motherfucker fucked me up. That gun suck!
Taking fire, taking fire.
Watch, we've got a drone looking for us.
Recon tower is back online.
Grenade!
I'm hit. I'm hit.
Shit, I'm hit.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
Oh, yeah, we're still fighting there. You know what? I gotta do something. Fuck am I doing?
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Please tack. Please tack. Make sure you tack it.
Frag out. Como está, bitches?
Oh, they're all there. Alright, they're all there.
Down, man down.
Frag out, eat it, fuckers.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Take your time, take your time.
Man down.
Oh my god.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
There we go.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
I never killed Ned.
He's dead.
Nice, nice. Right there, right there.
I'm
Man
hit.
down, man down.
I got him. I got him. Yes! Are you serious? I almost killed Ned. What the fuck?
All friendlies down. Objective is lost. Picking up the signal from the recon tower. We'll be active.
Oh, I'm telling you, bro. They're fucking ready. No, we ain't losing. We ain't leaving, man. Fuck! I got 3 motherfucking dead motherfuckers. Damn, 2 times in a row, bro. Now bring your guns out, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. My bad. Yeah, I kill him though. I kill him. Mm-hmm. You got it. Fucking Berlin. Who the fuck is Berlin, bro? I never seen that.
Secure the area and prepare for satellite upgrade.
Don't worry, I'm shooting. I'm gonna try to shoot the drone. Fuck the drone. Don't worry about the drone. I got you. One right there.
That guy's history.
Distributor. Watch out, one shooting at you. Get down, please.
He's down.
Please, let me get through you. It's coming behind you, behind you.
Frag out.
Get your ass up. Frag out. Get some.
Kill confirmed. I got you.
One hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
It's right there, right there on the map. You can see him. Don't run away from him. Fuck him. No, I ain't saying you're running away.
Hang on. Grenade.
One th-
Access point.
What the fuck? Did I really die there on the building?
Got
One
Tango's
hostile
down.
remaining.
Take your time, take your time. Kill that motherfucker.
God, I'm bleeding.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, he's picking up right now. You're going down under the rock. Nice, nice. You got him. Kill him, kill him. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. I'm sorry, I'm telling you to pick up, man.
It ain't that bad.
Right there, he's picking up right now. The same way, same way. Yeah, motherfucker. That motherfucker deserved that. Those motherfuckers deserve that. Yeah. Oh, look at Perling, bro. Who the fuck is 585? Damn. That's what I'm saying. Like, how the fuck I shoot him the whole clip? Yo, I even have to fucking bleed out, and that motherfucker never go down when I shoot him. Oh, maybe you straight back, cause I mean, if you use straight back, you gotta be, you know, faster than usual, you know. No, I'm talking about Berlin. Yeah, if Berlin using it, yeah. Because you can buy it in the store, man.
Secure the area and prepare for satellite up.
And I usually use it, but I don't want to buy it no more. You know, like, fuck it. I usually play Call of Duty as my recent now. My mainly game. But I usually love it because it's really help out for sure. That's straight back. Man, I'm dying in this shit. I'm rushing like that. Somebody shooting at me. And I'm running away from it.
A place for mine for Sicario friends.
Grenade.
Oh, they're on me. They're on me.
Wait, let me place them on.
Take your time. Take your time. I see 3 individual. Right on me. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Right, I'm about to kill one. I killed the point man. I got you, partner. We're here. We're here. Where the fuck they at, motherfuckers? Oh. Hell no, I ain't gonna lose this shit. He's on me. Distributor, that's him. You ain't gonna run no motherfucking where. Copy that. Oh, right there.
Frag out. Watch out for the flashbang.
Yes! I got him, fuck it. Yes! Fuck, I killed you, I'm sorry. No, that's not me, the first one. He's right on the other corner, opposite building. The same, right there, right there, right there. Oh, no way. Right there. Fuck yeah. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, Rock. Rock, I'm so sorry. I thought that's a Kobe, but he's... But, hey, you know, we got it, man. We got it. What? Oh my god, bro. Did we just run the first one into the left? Damn. Mm-hmm. Fuck the shit out of me. Hey, Birch still here. Damn, Birch. Mm-hmm. Oh no. We go find another one. Oh, we still log up. Hey, that's art, gang. I love it. You're out, my bad. I was like, what the fuck? I ain't trying no more grenade at you. Oh no, you thought I flat? No, I didn't flash. Assassin. Oh, assassin only got green. No, remember, assassin don't have. No, remember, assassin don't have flash. You only got grenade in mine. Yeah, that's the only time I throw water and I accidentally kill you, bro. I'm sorry. Oh shit. Damn. All right, I gotta watch out what I throw. Alright, we got it. Bottom. Elimination, please. Yep, it's alright. Oh, shit. That's a wrap.
Protect the HVT at all costs.
Alright, let's get it.
Hostiles are going loud.
They're here. Right side. They're on the right side.
Enemy drone airborne.
Station 1, Station 1.
Shit!
We've got enemy
Hands
activity.
taking
Marking
fire!
position now.
Ah, God, I'm bleeding!
Where's the fucking shooting? Oh, what the fuck? One shot? Yeah, you guys good. You guys got it. Oh yeah.
Beat. Oh.
Here we go. Frag out.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost. Extract the HVT from the enemy base.
Enemy drone airborne. Fuck, I'm made. Hostiles lost visual. Frag out. Going loud. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Ah.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
I got 0.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Secure the area and prepare for the satellite uplink.
Enemy's lost visual. I'm clear. Hostiles are going loud.
Got him, he's down.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Enemy drone airborne. Frag out. Get some.
Grenade, get to cover.
Hostiles lost visual.
Frag out, hola,
Throwing a
puta.
flashbang.
I killed one. I'm good.
I'm good to pick up.
Shit, I'm pinned!
No.
Taking fire! God, I'm bleeding. Heads up, minefield.
Careful, they've got a drone in the air.
Taking fire, I'm fucked!
Go up, pick me up, bro.
Target
One
down.
hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
That's the
Heads
gas.
up,
That's
minefield.
the gas. He ain't got shit. Yeah, I'm on top. Oh no, he just picked up.
One
Enemy
hostile
down.
remaining. Let's get this done.
No, you got that.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
Good try.
Secure the area and prepare for the satellite uplink.
The drone is airborne.
Enemy drone overhead.
Two of them.
Hostiles are going loud.
Yo, we got anti-personnel mines.
Yo, I'm placing a mine over here.
Right next to the building right on me.
I'm placing a mine right here.
It's right next to me on the building. He's pushing, yeah. Don't worry, I got him.
Grenade, move!
That's a kill.
They got me pinned down! I'm placing a mine for a Sicario friends. Taking fire! Fucking hell!
Man down. Enemy drone. Watch it.
Ika, what the fuck?
All friendlies down. Objective is lost. Access point established. Get on that terminal.
I usually use sniper on this map, but fuck it. I want support. He's a new. Oh, yeah. You see me trying to revive? Yeah. I love revive because he's help us out.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Deploying drone. Enemy drone. Watch it.
I just sent my drone earlier just to hold them up on the left side.
Fuck, I'm made. Broke visual with the enemy. Placing him up.
Good. I'll be back in 10 seconds.
Grenade,
Yeah.
grenade.
One just passed you guys.
Picking up the signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
One is right here.
Placing a mine right here.
Right here, right here.
That guy's history.
Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. I'm sorry.
Drone airborne.
They got medics still on the body.
Get down here!
Marking position.
Target eliminated.
Nice. I'm coming in. Take your time, Rock. Take your time, Rock. Stay back, Predator. Stay back. Oh, he got. Oh, one more.
Recon tower is back online.
Shit, man down.
Don't worry, I got him. Easy peasy.
I'm under heavy fire.
Easy peasy. I told you.
Neutralized. Great job.
Cause I know I'm gonna kill him. I know there's two of us. No, what I'm saying is I know I'm gonna pack Rock up. Cause there's two of us and one on the back, take care of the body. Yeah. Yeah, I was fucked up. It was just an adrenaline, you know. My bad. Sometimes I say the wrong shit.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Yep.
Enemy drone airborne.
Mm.
Going loud.
It's okay. Keep shooting, so I can kill him.
Mine's over here.
Oh, I see him. Oh my! I'm trying to, you know.
Frag out, come on, stop, bitches.
Picking up a signal from the Recon Tower. It'll be active soon.
I think they got diversion or something.
Enemy drone overhead.
Good. One of them kicked out. That's a fair fight right now. 3-on-3.
Mike.
The drone, I'm see outside the drone. I don't know if it's fighting. I need to come over there. You know? Right on the other side of the tree. What tree?
Recon Tower is
It's
back
me and you,
online.
right here in front of me. And everything. The trappers in this building.
Taking heavy fire. I'm hit. I'm hit.
Shot me from the side. Which side? That's the town or? No, that's
Got
the side.
anti-personnel mines over here.
They all in the bushes back there. They're not coming up. We ain't gonna chase theirs in the bushes next time. Where do they at? In front of me if I can. To the left of my body. I'm to the left of your body.
We got an enemy drone in the air.
I couldn't react to the motherfucking. Where did he come from? I think KP got off of the night. I don't know where he went. Oh, me that disconnected? Yeah. I was going to get the revive. The guy disconnected.
That ain't nothing.
Shut up. Okay.
Enemy gathering intel on us.
That tango's down.
Get me. You good now?
Get moving.
Alright, good.
Oh, my bad.
Recon Tower. It'll be active soon.
I lied to you. You got the adrenaline. You got it.
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
It's okay. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna hop off after these. Yeah, or like that. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. That's why I'm trying to hop off, but you know I'll be back on. And try to, like, you know, take my 30 minutes break. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going in. Alright. The one and only, right?
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
That motherfucker is a Rambo. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Motherfucker is a Rambo using that bed finder.
Enemy drone overhead.
I don't know where the fuck that motherfucking... What, a little branch or something? Yeah, I just wanna kill that motherfucking medic.
Heads up. We got enemy activity.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.